Hello and welcome to this video on why artificial intelligence, or AI, cannot replace human engineers. First, it's important to acknowledge that AI has come a long way in recent years and has the potential to be a valuable tool for engineers. However, there are several reasons why AI cannot fully replace human engineers. One reason is that AI lacks creativity and intuition. While AI algorithms can analyze data and make logical conclusions, they are not capable of coming up with original ideas or solving complex problems in the same way that a human engineer can. This is because AI is limited to the information and parameters that it has been programmed with, whereas human engineers are able to draw on their own experiences, knowledge, and insights to come up with creative solutions. Another reason is that AI lacks the ability to understand and adapt to changing circumstances. Engineers often have to make decisions based on incomplete or ambiguous information, and they need to be able to adapt their plans as new information becomes available. AI, on the other hand, is only able to work with the data it has been given and may not be able to adapt to changes in the environment or project requirements. Finally, AI lacks the ability to communicate and collaborate with other human counterparts. Engineers often work in teams and need to be able to communicate their ideas and thoughts effectively to their colleagues. AI, however, is not able to engage in verbal or written communication in the same way that humans can, which can limit its ability to contribute to team projects. So, while AI has the potential to be a valuable tool for engineers, it cannot fully replace the creativity, adaptability, and communication skills of human engineers. It's important for engineers to embrace the benefits of AI while also recognizing its limitations and the value of human expertise. Thank you for watching this video. Do you have any other questions or comments on this topic? Let us know in the comments below.